Alright, there we go. Damn, look at that. Off of that alone. Sheesh. Alright. Alright, now that we got the outside clean, or most of it, what next? What should I do next? Alright, I'm gonna do the Nike sign now. Is this a good angle? Yup. What you guys think of that? Good enough? Okay. We got this. I mean, it's not fully white, but you know, good enough. Better than before. Shit. Now the hardest part, in my opinion, is cleaning this. But gotta get it done. Hold on. Maybe the sponge will work better with this, actually. Jeez, hella mud. Alright. Okay. Alright, that alone was kind of better, but I'm getting kind of lazy, so I don't think I'm gonna do that again. Just leave it as is. But this is important. You wanna keep this as white as possible. You don't wanna be walking around with some fucking nasty ass, dirty ass Air Forces. Sheesh. And would you look at that? My sponge alone, and only using dish soap, got the job done. Yo. Alright. See how it came out real quick. Let me inspect it real quick. Alright. So using only these 3 items. This brush, and this brush. Sheesh, hold up. Stupid ass camera, man. Why don't you want to stay up? Fuck, man. This better? Nah, cause then it's gonna be upside down. Shit. Good enough. Alright, so using that alone, actually using these and this alone with only dish soap. Look at that. Alright, now let's move on to these. These are actually pretty easy. I just wet my sponge a little bit, put this on top, wet my brush just like this, and then start brushing it with the toothbrush and with the sponge at the same time while it's laying down. Hold up. Let me do it. I don't think you guys can see it on camera, but I'm gonna do it real quick. Alright. And then same thing. Just flip it around. Clean the back real quick. Take your sponge. Like fold it in there. Like this type shit, look. Fold it in there. And then scrub like this. Or that's what I do. I'm just saying. Showing you guys how I clean my shit. How I keep all my shit clean. On a budget. You know, goddamn fucking shoe cleaner. And just like that. There's a little bit of scratch marks on there. But these aren't my shoes, so fuck it. But look. Before, actually look after I cleaned. Let's see if I can focus real quick. Alright, anyways, pretty clean, you know. And then this one, before. And see all that mud in there? All that mud in the letterings and shit? This one, hope. If it can focus. Yup, and then this one. Alright, same process. Actually, the sponge is already kind of wet, so just to save some soap and shit for the other shoe, just Gonna wet my toothbrush and do the same thing. And there we go. And there we go. Same thing, nice and clean. Put those to the side real quick. And now we got these shoes. Now these shoes are way less dirty than the ones I cleaned before these. So same thing, how I cleaned the other one. I don't really need to wipe down this one. I'm gonna just go straight in with the sponge. With the sponge, start washing everything. Know what I mean? Take the sponge and oh shit. Alright, same thing like we did last time. Wash this real quick. Actually, let me turn it around. Sheesh. Good enough. Cleaner than before, at least. Alright. I don't know what the fuck these are, but just a little bit hard with the fucking rag. No, I don't really like using my brush to like clean it like this, you know? Because then if you brush too hard, it's gonna start like peeling and shit, like right here. How there's like a little scratch and the fucking paint starts to peel. Hate when that happens. That's what happened to my old pair, so I just threw them away. And the rag is getting dirty too. Okay, my sponge now, right here. The tongue. Clean the tongue real quick, nice and good. Shit, I'm not even in frame. Alright, now this part. Okay. Shit. Fucking goddamn it. Alright, in the meantime, just let me finish wiping this soap off real quick. You know the fucking vibes. Fucking. I mean, I wouldn't say Coke White again, but you know, still cleaner than how they were before. And if I could just set this shit up. Alright, there we go. Alright. Alright, so this is how the shoes came out. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Better than how they were before. You know the deal. Alright. I'm gonna go fill this back up with soap again. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my laces. Oh, let's get a before how the laces look real quick. Look how muddy these laces are. Holy fuck. Hella dirty. These not so much. It's still kind of white, but still. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna wash these separate, but I usually wash my laces together, but I'm gonna wash these separate only because these are really dirty and I don't want to get both of them all muddy and shit. Try to clean this one just like this. Just like that. By rubbing your hands together, just like that. Back in the soap. Okay, I'm gonna set these right there real quick. Get all the soap off my hands. And then with the clean side of the rag and dry part, kind of like this part, not that dirty, and take the lace and just dry it off. And just like that, they came out. I mean, they're white, but still see a little bit of stains. Should I go in one more time just to make them really white? Nah, they're good enough. Alright, same thing with these. Crush them up in a ball and shit, put them in the palm of your hand. Get it comfortable real quick, you know, just like that. Get it wet. Get it all soaked up in there. And then same process, just like this. God damn, these chickens do not know how to shut the fuck up. My bad for all the noise in the back. I'm in my backyard right now. Oh, and all these decorations for Halloween, you know, the vibes. Alright, and just like that, both of the laces are white again, nice and white. Alright, now to finish this restoration, I'm just gonna have to lace them back up. Let me wipe down the table real quick. Shit, not my camera. Shit keeps falling. Fucking piece of shit. Can't even stay up. Fuck. Hold up. Let me move this shit real quick. Alright, there we go. Fuck, but the shoes aren't framed. God damn, bro. Fucking shitty ass thing. Alright. Alright, good enough. There we go. Fuck, man. I low-key don't know how to fucking lace that fast, so don't judge me, but it's gonna be pretty slow. Okay. 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 Holy shit, what is this? I didn't even notice this on my finger. What the hell? Crazy. Alright. Yup. There we go. Oh, that's an ugly ass knot. Hell no, never mind. I thought that shit would've looked nice. Damn. And these allergies, man. Fucking fall coming up and shit. Halloween. And there we go. Hold up. Let me try to get it in the sun. Nice Coke white Air Forces. Brought them back to life. Except for this part. Got a little bit lazy, but, you know, it's whatever. Still got them clean. I think I'm gonna just end the video here and just lace this one up after the video, but, yup. It came out looking beautiful, you know the vibes. All nice and white. Well, alright then. That's it for the video. If you guys could do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button down below somewhere over there. It's like, I don't know. Hit the, what else? Hit the like button, you know the vibes. Go comment, you know. Let me think of what you guys, let me know what you guys think of how these came out. And what you guys think about what I used to wash it with. All this using Dawn dish soap and only this. And, you know, Dawn dish soap is just as good as any fucking shoe cleaner. So, to all those people buying shoe cleaners and shit like that, stop wasting money. Just get yourself some Dawn dish soap. Way cheaper, way more affordable. Especially with all this shit. It's way cheaper, way affordable. Still got the job done. Alright then. Well, what else? And if you guys want more videos like this, you know, more shoe restorations and shit, because, you know, I have my shoes inside. I always wash them. I always get them dirty. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments or anything. Alright then, it's your boy Jose Restores, and I'm out. Fucking goddamn, bro. And what the fuck this shit wanna end? Why is this still